My name is Gayatri. My daughter Yamini is in 12th now. She's just given her 12th boards. She's been with Aha Guru for the past 4 years, and I feel Aha Guru is one of the best things to have happened to her. She was taught by Rajesh Sadagopan sir math, and Professor Santanam and Professor D.P. Shankaran taught her chemistry, and Balaji Sampath sir taught her physics, and her journey with Aha Guru has been superb. What all I can say is, ever since she started with Aha Guru, I could see her develop love for all these subjects. It was not much about writing exams and scoring, that happened eventually, but it was more of starting to love these subjects. So with the result, what happened is, as she went on, that is when she went to 11th and 12th, we never had to ask her to sit and study. It just came naturally, sitting. It was not studying for marks, but it was studying more for knowing stuff and for exploring and for understanding things. And also in 11th, Aha Guru going online and having live classes, it helped her hugely, because all the concepts she could just sit at home and she could learn on her own. And when she felt that certain things she was missing on, or she couldn't understand certain topics in school, she could always go revisit the online stuff, and she could make sure that she understands things well. And also the tests after every module, which check them their concepts in that entire module, help them to kind of understand, kind of know whether they have understood that particular concept. So again, it was not about scoring, it was about knowing whether you're on the right track or not. And the biggest blessing I felt now, like as we are having these long holidays after the boards, and where they are giving all these entrances, I feel where there's no of course there are days when they are low and they feel that it's overwhelming, there is a lot of load, they have to study a lot. But then this thing of studying for these entrances coming naturally, because of the love for the subject, and also because Aha Guru has trained them to study and to understand things on their own, because the concepts have been so properly drilled that they are able to go watch the video and understand. Something which I would say has been a huge help. And I would also say that she just came after the school got over. She told me that I don't know how much I'm going to miss school, but I am definitely going to miss Aha Guru classes when I join college, because I really don't know whether I'll get professors like this in college, and I can't even imagine attending college without having such lovely teachers. So that's all I have to say. As a parent, I have had a wonderful experience with Aha Guru. Yes, you need to be very patient, and you need to, once you have put your child, you need to have complete faith in them and let them handle your kids. And I am sure by the time they are in 12th and they finish 12th, you will see the change and the difference in your kids, and how confident and how that there's been a huge change in the 4 years. So I would say that this is the best place for you to put your child and see them grow. Thank you.